Take it out. What is that? What is it? Wow, what are those? Look. Yeah, that's a pretty tree. Look, there's a truck. Some jammies. You like that book? Look. Some more jammies. What do these have on them? What is that? Look at this. What's that?
Mama?
That's not Elmo. That's football. Some more jammies. Goodness. Auntie Jen is spoiling you. What is that? Goose. Well, it's a dog, but that's not Goose. But Goose is a dog, yeah. Okay. What else?
Mama.
What is that? Wow. What is it? What is it? What is that? What is that? What's that? Yeah, that's a dog. That's Goose. Yeah. Okay, let Mama have the clothes so you'll pay attention to something else. What's in your hand? What is this? Is that an airplane? Is that a plane? Oh.
Mama.
Thank you, baby. What are those? Plane. Okay, what else is in here? You want to see what else? No, not right now. Plane. Say vroom vroom.
Mama.
Thank you for that car. Look. What's that? Can you hold it? Show Mommy. Is that a pretty jacket? You can wear that tonight.
No.
No? Yeah, you need to wear a jacket. It's cold outside. Okay. What else is in here?
No.
Oh, let Mama see if she could get it out. Choo-choo? I don't think that's a choo-choo. Who is that? Barney? Yeah. Let's see what else is in there.
Mama.
Momo! Here.
Mama.
Momo! Who is this?
Mama.
Momo, that's not Momo. That's Barney. What is that? You gonna read? Read to Mama. Yeah, there's a choo-choo up on the tree. See our tree? Pretty pretty, that's right. It is pretty pretty. What else did Auntie Jen get you? Oh my goodness, what is that? A book? What's wrong with your, oh, your shoe's falling off? Okay, Mom will put it on in a few minutes. Is that a pretty book?
Boo. Choo-choo.
Choo-choo. Where do you see a choo? That's not choo-choos. There may be a choo-choo in there. Those are cute books. Wow. What are you going to do with all those? Is Mommy going to have to read to you? Are we going to read all of them tonight? There's more. Good Lord. This is a create my own bowl. Oh, wow. We can put your picture. How neat is that? Cool, dude. Oh, you like those books back there, huh? More. There's one thing left. And it's in an envelope. Oh my goodness. How cute is that? Joshua's room. Let Mama see it. Look. Pretty. Let's see what it's got on it. Look, there's a fire truck. Who's that? Is that Garfy Cat? There's a Garfy Cat on there. Garfy Cat. And what's that? Plane. That's right. Wow, what's that? Dog right there. Yeah. Woof. Don't tear it up, okay? Wow. Can you tell Auntie Jen, say thank you? Thank you. Say thank you. Plane. Say thank you. Thank you. Where are you going? Oh, you want your boot? Goodness, why you gotta have your both shoes on? Okay. Can you tell Auntie Jen thank you? Thank you. Say bye-bye. Oh, excuse me. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.